Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what Franz noticed that was unusual about the school day. He was already late and feared a scolding, but as he approached, the usual school noise was completely absent. There were no sounds of desks opening and closing or students repeating lessons in unison. This profound quietness was the first striking difference he observed, setting an unusual tone for the morning. Upon entering, Franz saw Hamel dressed in his special green coat, frilled shirt, and embroidered black silk cap, attire usually reserved for inspection days or prize distributions. Even more surprising, the backbenches, typically empty, were filled with solemn-looking village elders. This unusual sight, combined with the teacher's gentle demeanor, immediately signaled something was profoundly different. The atmosphere in the classroom was incredibly solemn. Hamel, usually strict, spoke in a very grave and gentle tone, which was quite uncharacteristic. The students, too, were unusually quiet and attentive, not making their usual noise. This profound silence and the teacher's changed demeanor created a heavy, sad mood that Franz could distinctly feel throughout the room. The most unusual and impactful revelation was Hamel's announcement. This was their last French lesson. Orders had come from Berlin that only German would be taught in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine from the next day. This news explained the quietness, the teacher's special clothes, and the presence of the villagers. It was a farewell to their language. Check the description for a link to these leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.